haters wonder why Gambino got the game. Half-time, all she wanna do is bang. Got her head done, French braids, now she games.
Hey guys. Why am I so awkward? Okay. Hey guys, it's Sarang. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try to do something different. Recently I've been shopping because Sephora had a sale. I'm gonna try all the new stuff that I got and give you guys my first impressions. So let me show you what I've got first. So I have quite a few things here. The first thing is foundation from Guerlain Lingerie Depot Foundation. And I have Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And I have Pat Magret eyeshadow palette. Woo! And I have Huda Beauty Neon palette in orange, I think. And I have pair of lashes. This is Velour Mink lashes in poker face. And I also got a Dyson dryer. So if you want me to do a review, let me know in the comments. Okay? Alrighty. I'm gonna start with the foundation. I've already moisturized my face, so let's get right into it. I've been hearing good things about this foundation, so let's see. It has a very watery consistency. Hopefully it's a full coverage foundation. I'm gonna use my MAC 151 brush. I think I picked the right color. Right?
I can tell. Oops.
I don't think this is a full coverage foundation though. So I'm just gonna, and then I'm gonna pat it down with my beauty blender, not the beauty blender, makeup sponge. It doesn't really sink into the fine lines. Also, it covers my pores pretty well, but this is definitely not a full coverage foundation. This is a light to medium coverage, I would say. And I still see hyperpigmentation around my jaw area, blood vessels around my nose. It's that kind of powdery. Alright, this is not bad. Let me apply another coat. This is before. This is after. Definitely did not cover everything, but my complexion looks brighter. So I've heard that this foundation is really good for oily skin. So we'll see how it goes throughout the day. Okay. Now we're talking. So now I'm getting the coverage that I needed. I think I'm really liking it. Yeah, it definitely has matte finish, but I see a little bit of glow on my face. You can see the glow on my face. And it doesn't transfer. There we go. That's it. Okay. Because my hair is so blonde right now, I'm gonna make my brows look a little bit lighter. So I'm just using this brow concealer from Mass4. I'm just gonna contour my nose. So I'm ready for the eyeshadow. Whoa, ho, ho. Oh my goodness. Whoa. So soft too. Wow. This color is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? All the glitters. So beautiful. Whoa. Look at these neon colors. Look. I love it. Let me just swatch it and then show you.
Speakers don't make noise when they start up, just so you know.
Holy moly. I noticed that all the glittery shade in this palette is a cream shadow. You know what? I'm not gonna use this today. I'm gonna use Pat Magret only because this is just mind-blowing. And then I'm gonna create some red and gold or golden red makeup look. I'm gonna pick up this red. Whoa, red. Why? Do I look like Angry Bird? Caw. Wow, this is so smooth. It's buttery, soft, and the pigmentation is on top of the scale. I think it has kind of orange shimmer in it, so it's not. Sir?
Can you remove a service?
Thank you. I know it looks too much right now, but I will take care of it, don't worry. I'm also gonna extend it to 1/3 of my lower lid. It's getting a little better, right? No? Not really? Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this is good wool. How do you like it so far?
It's very bright. It's good. It looks nice though.
Let me blend everything out. Maybe it's a little bit too much, but well, that's okay. And then I'm gonna go in with gold. Do you see this? Do you? Oh my goodness. Seriously, everyone needs to have this palette. Look at this gold! Oh my god! Monkey, do you see this?
I see it. It's hard to miss.
Whoa. So, I'm done with eyeshadow. This is hands down the best palette I've ever used. Dramatic cat eye. Like this. There you go. This mascara is from Moonshot. I'm gonna apply this. Lashes. Chisel my cheekbone a little bit. It's kind of mean lady look. Do I look mean? Angry? Blush. Let's move on to the lips. Dark. This one applies really smooth. Oh my god. Is it a little too much? It's not patchy. And I love the color. Yes. I know it's extra, but I love it. It's like a bad gal look, right? Oh yeah. Above my nose. Yeah. I think this is the final look. So I'm gonna go change and film the intro of this video. Let you know that thing. Let me know in the comments what you think about this kind of video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, I'll see you.